So, in your family, wala ba suffering from asthma?
Sa akong sister-in-law, pero dili man na ako. Sa akong husband nga.
Now, in your flames, when you suffer flames, di ba mo sound?
Musaw,
Sound. So, you are asthmatic. Asthma is caused by a flame and you have smaller bronchial tube. That is why the bronchial tube is hereditary. So, many believe that asthma is hereditary, but what is hereditary is the small bronchial tube. So, if you have flame plus bronchial tube small, you will be asthmatic.
Tulad pagkatulpay mo pa. Karon. Katol paghapon. Tingali allergy na. Ang allergy diya sa 9, right, 3, leaf reb. So allergy hon kana ka din he.
Seafoods na ba?
Kitan ka.
Seafoods na ang kuwan.
Ana supa. Ana. Wala, katol pa wala. Wala, so allergy to yang katol.
More pain. So you are advised to eat what cause your allergy. Eat and finish right now. So you try to think what causes your allergy, and then you have to eat it because you are now cured.